Understanding Natural Fertilizers, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the concept of natural fertilizers. Whether you're a gardening enthusiast or just curious about sustainable practices, understanding this term is essential. So, let's dive into what natural fertilizers are and why they're important. Natural fertilizers are substances derived from animal or plant matter and minerals from the earth. These fertilizers are used to improve plant growth and soil health without the use of synthetic chemicals. Common examples include compost, manure, bone meal, and green manure. Unlike synthetic fertilizers, which are manufactured from chemical processes, natural fertilizers release nutrients slowly, making them safer for plants, soil, and the environment. Using natural fertilizers comes with a host of benefits. They enhance soil structure, increase water retention, and encourage beneficial microbial activity. This not only leads to healthier plants but also contributes to a more sustainable and eco-friendly gardening practice. By using natural fertilizers, gardeners can reduce their carbon footprint and support the natural ecosystem. To effectively use natural fertilizers, it's important to understand the needs of your plants and the condition of your soil. Start by testing your soil to determine its nutrient content and pH level. This will help you choose the right type of natural fertilizer. Apply the fertilizer according to the needs of your plants, usually at the beginning of the planting season and periodically throughout the growing period. Remember, over-fertilizing can harm your plants, so it's crucial to follow recommended guidelines. One of the great things about natural fertilizers is that you can often make them yourself. Composting kitchen scraps and yard waste is a simple way to create a rich, organic fertilizer. You can also make liquid fertilizers from seaweed or fish emulsion. Making your own fertilizer not only saves money but also allows you to recycle waste into something beneficial for your garden. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance and benefits of using natural fertilizers. Embracing these sustainable practices can lead to healthier plants and a healthier planet. So, give it a try in your garden and see the difference for yourself. Thank you for watching, and happy gardening!